What's up, guys? This is Sal with Bearded Locos Woodworks. This video is going to be about 10 woodworking tools I should have bought a lot sooner. And the best part about it is that we're going to open them up today. I bought these tools about a month ago and I've been wanting to make a video about this. So stick around and let's find out what I got. Thank you. So tool number one is this is a Stanley trimming plane. There you go. Hopefully you guys can see that. Open it up. Here you go. Not the best one, but it's gonna help me. Oh, almost lost the blade. So that's tool number one, Stanley plane. Tool number two is there's a few here. So let's see. Number two is a glue bottle. Believe it or not, I didn't have one of these. I was using just a regular bottle or a sriracha bottle to do my glue ups. So finally I have a real one, nicer one. Saw good reviews on this one. So this is tool number two. I should have bought a long time ago. Tool number three it's a MC Squared 150 from Mousecraft. Here you go. Even though I do have a couple of these, I don't have one like this one. I saw this one had pretty good reviews, so I went ahead and bought it. So this is what I got. Tool number three. Tool number four, a set of scrapers. I've been wanting to get some of these. I really didn't know how to work them, but I saw a few videos and it's just to smooth out the wood that you're working with. So it's a set of 3. Number 5 tool number 5, it's a silly brush for your glue ups. Again, believe it or not, I didn't have one of these. I used to use my finger and then clean it up in my shirts. So I messed up a couple shirts, so finally I got one. Well, number 6. It's Corner Mate. Corner Mate. This is when you want to glue up a box or a frame, stuff like that. Open this right here. So it's a set of 4 to build boxes, frames, or anything that you want to keep squared, you know. Tool number 7 is a lumber storage rack. I should have bought this a long time ago. I mean, I have wood laying around everywhere, and sometimes if you don't have it straight or whatever, it tends to bend or twist, or you know, not good for the wood just to be standing there alone. So I bought a lumberjack, I think that's what they call a lumber rack. So this is gonna help out a lot to keep all my wood straight. Tool number 8 is a Milescraft angle driver bit. This thing is gonna help me a lot for when you're building stuff on like tight corners that you can't fit your drill. So an angle driver helps a lot. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure what exactly it's called. But this is tool number 8. Tool number 9 is my Diablo blade. I've been wanting to buy one of these. Finally I got one. It's for my Ryobi circular saw. Right now I'm just using the regular saw from Ryobi, but this, the game changer, will make my cuts a lot better. This next tool, I've been wanting for a while. It's gonna make my work go a lot faster, because right now what I use is, you know, I make a pilot hole and then I countersink. So you should already know the tool. My number 10 tool is my Amana tool countersink. This tool here is gonna make my life a lot easier. They're kind of pricey, at least for me. I mean, $30 is a lot for this tool. All these tools were purchased from Amazon, and they range from $5 to $35. So again, guys, these are the 10 tools: the corner mate, the angle bit, the lumber rack, the Amana tool, the glue up bottle, the scraper set, the hand plane, the glue up brush, the Diablo blade, and the square. So there you go, guys. Those were the 10 tools I wish I would have bought a lot sooner. I want to thank you for looking at my video. If you like. Don't like. Just please subscribe for more videos. And let me know in the comments below what other tools you guys think I should buy. I want to thank you and see you on the next video.